Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you jute fabric crafts ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So my first idea is frames. Viewers, make a jute flower vase, wipe jute drop around an all water jar and glue it neatly. Add flower for a rustic and elegant look. And weavers and friends, weavers, create a jute basket. Use jute top to make a small basket for storing kit or scraps. It's both useful and playful. You can also make wall hanging shaped jute. Wrap into heart, circle, flower, decorate with beads or ribbon. This look amazing on any wall. So friends, my next idea is weavers. Friends, you can also make wall hanging shaped jute drop into heart, circle, flower, decorate with beads or ribbon. This look amazing on any wall. Another great idea is a jute coaster core. The rope wrap into a circle and glue it together. This coaster protects your tables and add a nature touch to your home. Make a jute candle holder or warping top around a glass jar. Place a candle inside for a warm and cozy decoration. So viewers, my next idea is weavers. For special occasion crafts, give bag with jute drop, decorate them with lace, flower or bow. They make gifts look extra special. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care.